Okay, here now I'm buying me pleat. But first, you look in this ply and long plus side and place the rubber band at this ply where I'm buying me pleat lamp. So first by me show him up lo put the rubber na behind by me pleat lo ear. So first by me show him you up lo you sum up na put the rubber. I'm not this ply long plus side. So I'm rushing one ply. Now by me using one ply, one plus side lo sum up first. Okay. Lo put him rubber now. We just sum up isi way or kind. Put him one fold, next fold, and now I'm ready. Put you got underneath the machine. So this lah baby putih rubber lo sama apa suka. On top lo iya bayu pleat. So lo pleat you basically put him one in blue. About 1 inch come inside. Okay, you fold him, go back also. Now you sum up. You got kind style or kind marry all different line only use him. This line one way me using mitogami finish. By you mean line him pretty all basic. Or something easy lo you can make him first. Time you saw lo easy plus something behind you can look basically left side lo and finish. Yeah, and now I'm forming nice like curve finish. So now the side come, then to the bodies come and neck come up finish. Look it, yeah, I'm by putting rubber band. Putting rubber band or I think me show you how finish long put the rubber band one blow video, so you look down below link. Nah, you can line him with how put the rubber band. So basically, you make motion the narba side too. Nah, the bodies. So I'm no an, but me show you the bodies. So the main bodies one kind. So this material. We cut him go finish and one pla and another. So we will show you one pla. So same idea, but you apply on the side basically. So principle one, can you put him some lo on by putting about 1 inch come namel and start fold. And me so work one at a time. So I'm showing you. Okay, now curve come up finish and performing part lo neck and lo body. So you work one kind of cell on our plus side. Now lo next video I'm showing you how you may connect him ako tayet. Na tulo na how ba you may connect him neck. This piece ya ba you connecting ko antabli ya sama pa mo kata lo style. Na way mi sa make him easy and simple by line him lang. Thank you.